Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can download Attack Shark X3 software. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. You need to go to your website, and right over here what you need to type in is just simply Attack Shark, and right over here on Google or any other website you'll see the option of driver download. If you don't see it, you just need to go to the website, its official website, and you need to scroll down till the bottom end and you'll see an option called driver support. So you just need to make sure that you're here, and you'll see driver downloads. Go and press on that, and right over here you'll be able to see the drivers. You need to press on mouse, and once you press on mouse you'll directly see Attack Shark X3. You can also type it in right over here to find the specific product that you want, and you'll see X3. You need to press on that and you'll directly see the software. Go and press on that, and right over here the software will begin downloading. So yeah, once the software is downloaded, you just need to extract the zip into your PC directly like this. You just need to extract it like this, and you're done after that. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.